Hello friends, this is Abhiram Kanduri with a new topic of finding square roots of multiple digit numbers. Before that, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell to notify my new videos. Now, going into the topic, we have square roots of certain numbers here. These numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100 are said to be the perfect squares. That means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9, and so on. 10 square is 100. This is a routine topic, but today in my topic I am going to teach you how to find the square roots of multiple digit numbers. For that, we need to have some basic concept. That is, you know that 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, 30 square is 900, 40 square is 1600, 50 square is 2500, 60 square is 3600, 70 square is 4900, 80 square is 6400, 90 square is 8100, 100 square is 10,000. These are the square of the numbers that we need to have in our mind in order to find the square root of multiple digit numbers. Now, let's come to some examples. Let's take an example. We need to find the square root of 484. That means square root of 484 is how much? Okay, then come to these values. 484 is nearer to which of these values? It is nearer to 400. That means square root of 484 lies in between 30 and 20. For us, this is clear. That is, square root of 484 lies in between 20 and 30. Then, 484 is so close to 400 and too far to 900. So, this 484 lies so closer to 400. And as we know, square root of 25 is 625. Then we have the possibilities 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So you square the unit digits of these numbers. We get 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, that we get 6, 5 square is 25 and we get 5. So we need to find the square root of 484. Its unit digit is 4 and the square of this unit digit of this number is also 4. So square root of 484 is equal to 22. It is as simple as this. Let's come to another example. We need to find the square root of 1296. Somewhat tougher this time. 1296 is how much? Come back to the values again. 1296 so close to 1600 and 2500. Now it's clear for us that square root of 1296 lies between 30 and 40, right? Square of 30 is 900 and 40 is 1600. So for which value it is so closer? Obviously 40. Square of 35 gives us 5 in the last digit. So we have the possibilities 36, 37, 38, 39. Now square the unit digit places. 6 is 6 as 36, 7 is 9 as 49, 8 is 4 as 64, and 9 is 1 as 81. Now the last digit of this number is 6, and the square of 6 is also 6, and here the same unit digit is 6. So square root of 1296 is 6, 36. Therefore square root of 1296 is 36. I hope you are clear with this topic, and now you can find the square roots of multiple digit number such as 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit numbers in the same way and as easy as possible, and you can reduce the time of calculations in your exams. Thank you.